Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, this reading is for 4 stocks which are available under 50. You can call them penny stocks. So, how will be their performance in coming months till December? This reading is for these 4 stocks: Trident Limited, Yes Bank, Alok Industries, and IDBI Bank. Now, IDBI Bank is moving around 38 something, Alok Industries 22 something, Yes Bank I don't know, and Trident Limited again 24 25 something. So, what's going to happen? Now, the investors who have invested in Trident Limited, they should be careful in coming months. If you have earned a handsome returns, then this is the time to come out of it. Otherwise, in the month of October, stock will go down. Again, some kind of news and stock might come up a bit in the month of November, but again, in the month of December, it will vertically go down. So, the investors who have invested in Trident Limited, be careful, संभाल के रहो, पैसा जो है वो भी डूब जाएगा, प्रॉफिट बुकिंग कर लो. Yes Bank. Now, Yes Bank looks good, and looking at these cards till December, one thing is sure, this stock is going to grow. I don't know exactly what is the price today, but yes, this stock is going to generate very good returns till December. So, see, I am not recommending you to buy it, it's your decision. I am just giving my prediction according to tarot reading. Okay, so it will be your decision, but yes, this stock is certainly going to give some good returns. Yes Bank stock till December. That's what I feel looking at the cards. I am not a SEBI registered agent or broker or financial advisor. So, if before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Then Alok Industries. Again, Alok Industries looks like this stock will do well in near future till December. Looking at these cards, you can expect some decent returns from this stock, Alok Industries. Then IDBI Bank. This stock will do well in October. In October, this will do well, but thereafter, it may again come down. So, those who want to invest in this, be careful. Make profit booking in October only, because thereafter it will come down. That's what I can say looking at the cards. So that's it. This is the reading for these 4 stocks which are under 50. Similar kind of readings I'll come up with in coming days for some chemical stocks like Deepak Nitrate, Lakshmi Organics, and many more. So thank you.